Ever seen an animal that sleeps almost all day, eats something poisonous, and still smells like eucalyptus perfume? Meet the koala, one of Australia's most misunderstood and fascinating animals. But here's the twist: koalas are far stranger, tougher, and more surprising than most people think. Let's explore 50 fascinating facts about koalas that will completely change how you see them. 1. Koalas are not bears, they are marsupials. 2. They belong to the same group as kangaroos and wombats. 3. Baby koalas are called joeys. 4. Koalas are native only to Australia. 5. They live mostly in eucalyptus forests. 6. Koalas spend most of their lives in trees. 7. They have fingerprints almost identical to humans. 8. Koalas sleep up to 18 to 22 hours a day. 9. Their brains are unusually small for their body size. 10. Despite being slow, they are excellent climbers. 11. Koalas eat almost exclusively eucalyptus leaves. 12. Eucalyptus is toxic to most animals, but not koalas. 13. Their digestive system detoxifies the poison. 14. They eat about 0.5 to 1 kg of leaves per day. 15. Koalas prefer only a few of the 700 eucalyptus species. 16. They get most of their water from leaves. 17. That's why koala may come from an Aboriginal word meaning no drink. 18. Their gut bacteria helps break down tough leaves. 19. They have a very slow metabolism. 20. They conserve energy by sleeping most of the time. 21. Koalas rarely leave trees once they find a good one. 22. Each koala has its own territory. 23. They mark trees with scent glands on their chest. 24. They are mostly solitary animals. 25. Koalas communicate through loud bellows. 26. Male koalas have deeper voices than females. 27. They are most active at night, nocturnal tendencies. 28. They move slowly to save energy. 29. They can leap between trees when needed. 30. They prefer cooler, shaded environments. 31. Koala joeys are born tiny, about the size of a jelly bean. 32. They are blind and hairless at birth. 33. Joeys crawl into their mother's pouch immediately. 34. They stay in the pouch for about 6 to 7 months. 35. After that, they ride on their mother's back. 36. Joeys eat pap, a special nutrient-rich stool from the mother. 37. This helps them digest eucalyptus later. 38. Mothers care for their young for about a year. 39. Koalas have one of the lowest body temperatures of any mammal. 40. They rarely sweat, even in heat. 41. They hug trees to cool down. 42. They can sleep sitting up or leaning against branches. 43. Koalas have thick, wool-like fur for insulation. 44. They can become aggressive if threatened. 45. Males fight using loud calls and scratches. Koalas are vulnerable due to habitat loss. 47. Bushfires pose a major threat to their population. 48. Climate change affects eucalyptus leaf quality. 49. Many koalas are treated in wildlife hospitals every year. 50. Conservation efforts are helping stabilize some populations. So now you know, koalas aren't just sleepy tree huggers. They're highly specialized survivors, perfectly adapted to one of the toughest diets in the animal kingdom. If you enjoyed these 50 fascinating koala facts, imagine what other secrets the animal world is hiding. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and explore more wild facts with us.